Going?
There's a bunny rabbit.
There's a bunny in the bag. Where are you going?
The bunny in the bag.
Why do you have that bag? Where are you going?
Work.
Going to work?
Yeah.
Where do you work? At where?
At Walmart.
Kmart?
Kmart.
A Walmart?
Walmart.
Oh, okay, Walmart.
Yes, I am work.
How do you get to work?
I need to go. My bunny.
You're taking them to work?